Hello, my name is Sebastián Silva. Today I want to share a very special football anecdote about the intercollegiate games in Puerto Boyacá. I was in the starting teams, first we had to play against other grades and teams for my school. We won and advanced to the next stage. Then we played again at the school in my town, Puerto Boyacá. We worked hard and we won again. It was very exciting for me and my teams. After time, we qualified for the department games. It was the best experience of my life. It was fun, motivated, and full of energy. In an important match, I'm to a sub penalty, but it missed it. It felt very sad in this point because it was to help my team win. Even to a missed time penalty, the tournament marked my life and learned about discipline, teamwork, and never give up. It was a beautiful experience time I will never forget.